Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Scorpio class. In the previous video, we learned some basic one-word substitutions that help us make smarter and faster. If you haven't watched it, make sure to check it out first. I have shared the link in the I button above. Today we are going to learn more important one-word substitutions that are very useful for your competitive exams, spoken English, and daily conversation. So in the last video, we covered simple, beginner and intermediate level words. But today, we'll go a step ahead and learn slightly advanced but very useful words that can really boost your confidence. Yes, we are going to look at the words which are study related. So let's start. Study of flying aeroplanes. It's aviation. Study of space. Astronomy. Study of sound and sound waves, acoustics. The study of the evolution of mankind, anthropology. Study of universe, cosmology. The study of plants, botany. Study of animals, zoology. Study of insects, entomology. Study of fish, ichthyology. Study of birds, ornithology. Study of reptiles and amphibians, herpetology. Study of human body, anatomy. Study of cells, cytology. Study of tissues, histology. Study of mind, psychology. Study of society, sociology. Study of skin, dermatology. Study of environment, ecology. So these were 20 important one-word substitutions that can help you in exams and make your English smarter, sharper and more confident. So now tell me, which new word did you learn today? Type it in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for more English learning videos. And yes, in the next video, we'll learn even more powerful one-word substitutions that are frequently asked in the exams. So see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye-bye.